After my masterclass, instead of your work life being like this, you're on mute. People! It could be like this. It's important that you first have all of the tools that you'll need for a successful business parts analysis. This is a listing of tasks from an actual client exercise. And what I'm going to do is put up all of these enlarged Post-it notes just so that you can get a visual. It's now time to take those tasks, transfer them to individual index cards, spread them out across a very large table, and group them into columns. Now this exercise in the business parts analysis is all about identifying who ideally should perform these different tasks. I use stick figures. These are reusable and they're absolutely great. Repeat this exercise for every single department within your company that you've identified and the associated tasks. Now it's time for us to take all of this information and put it into a job task inventory. The business parts analysis is a series of exercises designed to help you and your team identify and analyze all of the different tasks that are required to keep your business operating on a day-to-day basis. I'll show you how to smartly streamline your processes, quickly organize your team, and finally experience smooth operating efficiency. Join now at smoothoperator.courses.